So here's what I think the fun part of this dish is. You start by putting in a layer of potato. And I used a mix of both red and the white rose, which I like because they have a creaminess to them that I don't think regular potatoes have quite as much. So I'm just kind of being loosey-goosey. Now, you take some of the cream sauce, which as you can see is showing evidence of all the cheese I put in it, and you want to layer that on like so. And I will, of course, make sure that it's all covered nice. There were a lot of white creams, a lot of aspics, those types of things, molds, when it came to this cookbook, Irma Rombauer's The Art of Joy of Cooking, The Joy of Cooking. But what it was a time in which creamy, cheesy dishes were kind of the thing. So I'm going to put 2 more layers down. I'm going to top it with some paprika, and that goes into a 350-degree oven. They say about an hour. We'll just play it by ear. They say when the cheese is bubbling and looks nice and golden on top, it may look like it's getting overcooked. That means it's just about done. All right, let's give it a shot.